Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your PC, of course, that contains the Windows 11. Of course, if you're a Windows 10 user, you can just go into your settings and actually upgrade into Windows 11 right now and for free. You can even run the installation or the download of Windows 11 into the background of your PC if you want to keep using your PC in the meanwhile. And once the download or the installation finished, you will actually be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. Don't worry, your PC will be a bit slower because of that, but it's not going to be a big problem. Of course, because of the installation in the background, not because of Windows 11. And of course, you will once you restart your PC, you'll have your Windows 11 ready to use. And you'll even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 whenever you want. But once you get used into Windows 11, that will not be a problem for you. And you will even maybe like it much better. Of course, the upgrade from Windows 10 to 11 will not delete any files or apps for you. So don't be scared about that. And as we said, is we would like to factory reset the Windows 11 on your PC. So the first thing, just go into your settings. You can just go and do it on your regular way, look for it, or if you have it here somewhere, just go and click on it, or you can just do like me, which I actually press at Windows I, and it's actually, this is a shortcut to open your settings. Here, what you would like to do is just go into your system, which is actually already selected when you open your settings, and now you would like to click at recovery. Of course, you'll need to scroll down a bit and you will find it here, recovery. And now what you would like to do is just go and select this reset your PC. Of course, you can choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows by its own. So choose whatever you want. Of course, if you want to factory reset, make sure to delete all your files or remove your personal files and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.